2024 with ΑTTN.LIVE, and I'm here with my friend Bobby. Bobby, why don't you tell me and the world about yourself?
Hey everyone, Bobby Singh here. I'm founder at NifySky and JobLab.ai, and really interested in building both ideas. These were originally just ideas fueled by passion into something that is more tangible and ready for the world to kind of witness.
Okay, so you're making NFTs out of space assets. Tell
exactly.
Break that down.
So NifySky is really just a repository of all real-world space assets. Okay. How we talk about real-world assets, these are real space assets, mostly in Mars and Moon, where we actually tokenize scientific data that is right now in just public archives and like old NASA websites. We tokenize that as NFTs with the references tying back to NASA. And this way creates awareness, creates an engagement, creates enthusiasm for space community and beyond to kind of leverage this data and have a platform and community around that.
Okay, so then can anybody like buy those NFTs, or what happens?
Absolutely,
with those
anyone.
NFTs?
You can buy the NFTs. We're working with different partnerships and game studios, so where you can build a metaverse around it.
Okay.
And everything is like fundamentally everything is around the actual space asset, like the deed itself, the land itself, that is really mapped by NASA and all these surveyors and all these expensive
So
equipment.
they buy your NFT,
right.
And then they own that land on Mars. They just have to get there to claim it. Huh?
Exactly, right, exactly. In the metaverse, you own it, do everything.
In the metaverse.
Exactly.
Great, I love that. Very, very interesting. And tell us, break down your other project.
The other project is JobLab.ai, where we are using job matching, so job matching algorithm using AI and NFTs for freelancing purposes. So I'm a big user of all freelancing services like Upwork, Fiverr, there's so many of them. But the problem always is the cost, the barrier to entry, and also these freelancers that I work with, I've done over 300 orders, it takes them 2 weeks to get their payment, and plus it costs 20% from them to just have that kind of communication with a buyer, with a client. So a way to kind of disintermediate all these middlewares or these middle companies in a way that it's just more natural, frictionless, and a client and a seller could come together and really work on these platforms.
I love that. That's a very important problem you're solving. I love that you're leveraging these, not just for space things, but a real world problem that needs to be solved and creating a better solution. Great. Exactly. Well, we got to wrap up now, but tell the people where they can find you.
Yep. You can go on NifySky.org and JobLab.ai. All the respective socials are there, and I'm pretty active in the community moving forward. Always, and just drop me an email or a line, Bobby@JobLab.ai, and happy to connect and see where we can thrive together.
So if freelancers want to get on your platform, that's where they find you.
Yeah, so. JobLab.ai is for freelancers, those that are interested in real space assets and space communities, NifySky.org. Both are ideas that I'm super passionate about and build products around, and hopefully the world can leverage and witness.
Super interesting. Great talking to you, so check them out, and thank you for joining us.
Awesome. All right. Thank you.